Hey everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. Today it is a beauty day and it's an Ipsy Plus day. This is the first time that I am receiving the Ipsy Plus box and I am so excited. So you've seen me before unbag the regular Ipsy Glam Bag, which is the $10 a month for 5 sample size products. And I've had really, really good luck with those bags. I've really enjoyed receiving those bags. I found some of my favorite products from those bags. So for me, it was totally worth it. I think I'm still receiving that bag, but I haven't gotten it yet this month. So I have to check in to make sure I didn't cancel it by accident. Like sometimes I do. Totally could have happened. So I still want to get those bags. But anyway, this is the $25 a month subscription where you get 5 full-size products. I think it's 5 products. So let's dig in because I am so excited to see what's in my box. I can't wait to watch other people's videos to see what's in their boxes too. I love seeing what they send out, so, and what the options are. So anyway, I did take off, there was a sticker just to make it a little bit easier, but I haven't opened and seen what's in it yet. Oh, cute. So here's how it comes. Nice. All right, so oh, this is just like, you know, when you get if you get the Glam Bag, you get a little description of the item. So this just looks like it's a little bit bigger, and when it tells you the worth, like what each product is worth and how to use it, things like that. So very helpful. I'll keep this out, and if we need it, we can reference it. So, all right. So the first thing I see, this is by Face Hero. This is a powerful and protective face oil. We're going to open up the box to see what it is. Here's the outside of the box. I've never seen this brand before. If any of you have used it, let me know. All right, here is a powerful and protective face oil. I can't read that. We're gonna have to read the sheet instead. So there's the bottle. So that's nice. Okay, so let's just reference the sheet because I'm not sure about this one and what it does. So hang on, where can I find it? Here we go. The value is $34, so that's pretty cool. That's more than the value of the box. So this multitasking, good-for-you cocktail of natural ingredients comes to the rescue by hydrating parched skin, brightening dull complexions, and soothing inflammation. It also helps combat fine lines, dark spots, and early signs of aging. Yay, I can use that. So it looks like what you do is you mix a few drops into your moisturizer. Nice, that's pretty cool. All right, I can't wait to try that. All right, the next thing we have, this is by Wander Beauty. This is Wanderous Seascape Eyeshadow Palette. So it comes in this box. Love the packaging. Now let's see, can I open this and we can see what the palette itself looks like? Hang on. I do not wear eyeshadow because I am not good at putting it on. I've been watching YouTube videos and I don't know, I'm just not good at applying eyeshadow. So I'm trying and I will get better at it. And if I do, I will show you. But here is the palette. Look at the pretty colors. Love those colors. How fun is that blue here? Wow. If I was good at this, I would totally show you what it looks like. I'll get there and we'll do a someday, right? There's also some pretty neutrals though, so I like that. So, whoops. All right. So let me just look at the value of that. We know what it does, right? So we don't need to see what it does, but the value would be nice to know. So the value of this palette is $25. So nice. And I only paid $25 for this box, so we're already way over that. All right. The next thing, this is by Il Maquillage. I probably totally butchered that. This is Icon High Volume and Intense Curl Mascara. So here's the box. Very sleek box. And then if I can get it open, I can show you what the tube looks like and what the applicator looks like. So here's the tube, very sleek. Love that, right? I've never heard of this brand before. So I'm seeing some new products for me. So if you've used any of these, please let me know what you think. And then let's look at the wand because that always says a lot, right? Ooh, okay. Very short bristles, it looks like. Ooh, I'm excited to try that. So, all right, let's see the value of this one. So this says, hang on. Oh, $25 value. So very, very cool. So I can't wait to try that. I'm using up one mascara now. I like to use them before I move on to the next one. So should be able to try this pretty soon. All right, so that's 3 products. Great value. And this is by Nude. This is Nude. Okay, a nude stick And it's Nudies Tinted Blur Stick. So here's the stick. All right, so let's read about what this does. So this is, okay, wow. So this is valued at $30. So I got a pretty good value box. So this says, Snapchat filters are cool, but this nude sticks blurring stick minimizes the appearance of pores, blemishes, fine lines, and skin texture in real life. It puts IRL, but in real life, right? The light reflecting cream to powder mineral formula gives you a soft matte glow as the shade adjusting pigments blend with your skin tone. So you're supposed to start by swiping onto major areas and blending. I'm not good at blending, so I'll have to practice. So cool. I'm excited to try that too. I need some help sometimes, right? Especially when you're not feeling well. And then, okay, so this looks like there's two products. This is by, okay, this is how it came. This is by Ilamasqua. Oh, I've tried these lip pencils before. These are lip crayons. So it looks like there's two, look. Right? Let's see if I can cut this open. Oh, here we go. Ooh. That's almost like 6 products, right? I lucked out. 2 for 1. Hello. Loving that. Okay, so, oh, the value is $21 each. Yay! That's really cool. So, all right, I got 2 colors. So let's start. They're both lip pencils though, so I'm so excited to dig into these. All right. This is, bear with me, I'm trying to get it out of the packaging. All right. So it looks like this color is Lust. So let's try this. I'll just kind of, that's really pretty. So, oops, I just drew on my hand too. So here's the color right there. There's the pencil, and that's what I just did to swatch it. Can you see that? Really pretty. I love that. And then I got another color, let's not forget. So these are hard to open. Oh, $21 each. So I technically got, yeah, 6 full-size products. Wow. And this is more of a pinky shade. Oh, and this one is Media. So this is more of like a coral pinky shade. So that's this one here that I just did. And here's the pencil. Love that. I'm gonna have fun with these. And I have found that, I forgot where I heard this. It might have been somebody's channel, but my lipstick sometimes bleeds into like the little wrinkles around my lips. And so if I use a lip pencil or a liner, it really helps to prevent that from bleeding. So I've been using these a lot and I love them. So I'm so excited that I got 2. Wow, so let's just recap really quickly. I got 2 of these pencils valued at $21 each. Wow, I'm so excited about that. And then I got a nude sticks, right? And then I got a mascara. You all know how I love my mascara. So that's 3, technically 4. 5 is this here, the eyeshadow palette. And then this Go-To Face Hero. So, wow, so cool. My first Ipsy Plus bag. I can't speak today, I'm sorry. Really knocked it out of the park. So I'm so excited. Can you tell? I can't wait to try all this stuff out. Really fun. I can't wait for next month. So this was really cool. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I truly appreciate it. Let me know, do you get Ipsy Plus? Did you like your box? I like to know what everybody got too. So let me know what your favorite products have been from your Ipsy Plus boxes so far. All right, so I'll see you guys really soon. I hope you're having a wonderful day.